Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce how to use the Wi-Fi dongle, also known as the data logger, to bring your Growatt inverter online. Currently, we have two different kinds of Wi-Fi dongle. They have the same configuration logic, the only differences are the location of LED light and reset button. The one on the left side is the Wi-Fi dongle for TL-X model. And this one we have the square code on the front and the LED light in the middle. And on the top it is using USB port. At the bottom it is the reset button. And at the back of the dongle we can see here is the serial number, check code and the barcode. And the one on the right side is the Wi-Fi dongle for all other models of Growatt inverter. The square code is also on the front, and it is using RS232 port. And at the back we can see here is the serial number and the check code and also the barcode. On the front of the dongle there is a little rubber cap. When you take it off, the reset button and the LED light of the dongle is inside. Okay, so let's get started. The first configuration method is using the ShinePhone app. Before going into the app, we need to plug the Wi-Fi dongle into the inverter, and the LED light should be flashing red. And then we can open the App Store or Google Play on our mobile, search ShinePhone, and then download the app. Please make sure you download the correct app. When we open the app, the first thing we need to do is to register a new account. Click register, and now you will need to put in your details. For the installer code, if you don't have one, you can just leave it blank. Click register, and then the app will ask you to add the plan. Put in the plan detail. And for the PV capacity, please enter the rated power of your inverter. And for the fund revenue, if you're in Australia, scroll down to the bottom, choose AUD, and then click Add Plan. After that, we can skip this page, and then we're back into the dashboard. Now click Plan, and then click into your plan. Click the little plus on the top right side and go into the data logger list. Then click Add. In this page, you can press Scan button to scan the square code on the front of the dongle or the barcode at the back of the dongle. If you are not able to scan the code, you can also type in the serial number and the check code of the dongle and then click Yes. After adding the data logger, the app will ask you to choose the internet band type. Because the dongle is only compatible with 2.4 GHz, so we will need to choose method 1. In this page, we will need to put in the name and the password of the home Wi-Fi signal. And you will also need to confirm that the mobile you're using now is also connecting with the same Wi-Fi signal. Then click Configuration. After a while, if the configuration is success, this information will pop up. And now, if you go check the color of the LED on the dongle, the flashing red light will become flashing blue. It means your data logger is already online and your inverter will be online soon. And now I'm going to introduce the second method for doing the configuration, which is the configuration via IP address. Before using this method, we need to single tap the reset button and change the flashing red light into solid blue. After that, go into the Wi-Fi list on your mobile and you will be able to see a Wi-Fi signal of the dongle. The name should be the serial number of the dongle. Connect to the signal. After connected, you need to open the web browser and put in the IP address, which is 192.168.10.100. And then hit go. The password in this page should be 123456778. Log in. And now you're in the settings center of the Wi-Fi dongle. In here, choose menu and put in your home Wi-Fi name and password. Make sure they're correct. And then click apply. Then click restart immediately. You don't need to log in again. Now, go check the color of the LED light on the dongle. If it turns into flashing blue, it means the configuration is success. After the configuration, if the LED light turns into solid green, we will need to do the configuration again. If we choose to use method 1 again, we will need to press and hold the reset button until we see the white lights comes on. And then we can release. After a while, the dongle will be reset and back into flashing red. After that, we will need to go back into the app, click plant, click into the plant, and then click the little plus on the top right side, and then go back into data logger list. Because we have already scanned the dongle, so the data logger should be inside. Press and hold the serial number, click configure data logger, choose method 1 again, and then put in your home Wi-Fi name and password again. If the dongle is showing solid green and you would like to use method 2 to do the configuration again, the first thing we need to do is to single tap the reset button, and then the dongle will become solid blue again. After that, go into the Wi-Fi list on your mobile, connect to the Wi-Fi signal of the dongle. After connected, open the web browser, go back into the IP address 192.168.10.100, and we'll be able to do the configuration again. If the dongle keeps showing solid green light, there are two reasons. The first one is that the Wi-Fi name or password you enter may be wrong. The second reason is your Wi-Fi signal is not 2.4 GHz. For example, like Optus network, there are two different kinds of signal. Make sure you select the normal one. If you're using Telstra Wi-Fi, please contact Telstra to know how to separate your Wi-Fi signal into two signals, like 2.4 and 5 GHz.